Click on the link below to get price. The A22KITSTB 2-door and star reader kit is an impressive package designed for those seeking an efficient access control solution. It comes complete with an A22 controller and two STARPB readers, making it suitable for both residential and commercial applications. The installation process is straightforward, with clear instructions that cater to users with varying levels of technical expertise. The A22 controller is the heart of the system, featuring a compact design that allows it to fit seamlessly into any environment. Its robust construction ensures durability, and it's equipped with advanced security protocols to protect against unauthorized access. The controller supports multiple entry methods, including key cards and key fobs, providing flexibility for users. Customization options are a significant advantage, allowing users to set access levels and manage user permissions easily through the intuitive interface. The STARPB readers are another highlight of this kit. Their sleek, modern design not only looks great but also enhances usability. The readers are highly responsive, ensuring quick access with just a simple tap of a card or fob. The LED indicators provide clear feedback on the access status, and the built-in buzzer offers audio confirmation, which is particularly useful in busy environments. Another noteworthy aspect of the A22KITSTB is its scalability. As your needs grow, the system can be expanded with additional readers and controllers, making it a future-proof investment. The kit also features excellent compatibility with various access control software, allowing for a comprehensive security solution. Overall, the A22KITSTB 2-door and star reader kit delivers a perfect combination of security, convenience, and scalability. Its performance is reliable, and the user-friendly setup makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Whether for home or business use, this kit is a smart choice for anyone looking to enhance their security system efficiently and effectively.